All right, guys, we're gonna do a cold start video here on the Scout. You can watch our screen. It's our sniper coming up online. You guys can see everything right there. Here we go. All right, man, fires right up. That's the beauty of the sniper fuel injection. Brings everything right up right away. You can see some of the different items that we're able to monitor. Got a couple of different choices on gauges and so forth. What you want to monitor on this gives us our air-fuel ratios, voltages, RPM. It's got the capability of controlling multiple fans if you want to go with like an electric fan on it. Inlet air temperature, idle control or throttle control positions. And there's just a lot of different cool things that you can monitor, and you can change this. So you can see how easily this thing started right up. No issues at all. And that's at a 93-degree temperature, so typical for Arizona at late afternoon. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions, give me a call. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing posted, and I'll answer anything I can. Talk to you later.